I thought moving out would happen just once. I was wrong. First, I moved out of my dorm. Then I needed storage. Later, I had to decide whether to move home or to another city. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe. We share moving tips for international students across the US. I started with the UC moving kit. Boxes, tape, and shipping labels arrived together. After packing, Premium Pickup collected everything from my apartment. I didn't have to carry heavy boxes. Since my next move wasn't immediate, I used their storage service. It made planning much easier. Some of my friends moved to another state. UC moving helped them relocate across the US. Others, including me, moved back home. International shipping made everything much easier. Looking back, moving wasn't just about boxes. It was about making every transition easier. Wherever your next destination is, UC moving helps you move smarter. I highly recommend it to every University of Washington student. Move smarter from the start. UC moving.